Take a moment to find a comfortable seat or lie down, allowing your body to fully relax after your workout. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your lungs fill up completely. Hold it for a brief moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or effort from your body. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. With each inhale, feel the air nourishing your body, filling you with vitality. And with each exhale, feel yourself releasing any fatigue or tightness from your muscles. Allow your breath to become smooth and steady, letting it guide you into a state of calm. As you breathe, bring your awareness to your body. Notice how it feels after the movement, the warmth in your muscles, the pulse of your heart, the energy flowing through you. You've just given your body strength and effort, and now it's time to let it rest and recover. Start by scanning your body from head to toe. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Relax your forehead, soften your jaw, and allow your face to settle into a neutral, calm expression. With each breath, feel any tension in your face release more fully. Move down to your shoulders, noticing any residual tension. With your next inhale, imagine pulling in calmness from the world around you. And as you exhale, imagine breathing out any tension or discomfort. Let your shoulders soften and feel your arms and hands become heavy and relaxed. Bring your awareness to your chest, letting your breath expand deeply in your rib cage. As you breathe, feel your lungs fill with air, nourishing your body. Feel your body becoming lighter with each exhale. Now focus on your lower abdomen and lower back. Feel your muscles soften, and notice a gentle rise and fall with each breath. Let go of any lingering tension here, allowing the soothing rhythm of your breathing to relax and ease your core. Move your attention to your legs. Notice how they feel after the workout. Whether they're energized or tired, feel the sensation as your muscles cool down. Take a moment to thank your legs for the work they've done and the work they do for you each day. With each breath, feel your thighs, calves, and feet become more relaxed and more grounded. With your entire body now relaxed, bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the steady rise and fall of your chest and belly with each inhale and each exhale. Notice how your breath is slower now, deeper and more restorative. Each breath is a reminder of your strength, your resilience, and the care that you give your body. Take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for the effort that you put into your workout. Whether you achieved a personal best, took it easy, or simply showed up the best you could today, your body is stronger for it. Honor yourself for your commitment and for taking the time to nurture your health when you so easily could have chosen not to. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow a sense of calm and appreciation to fill you. Your body is healing, your energy is returning, and you are exactly where you need to be. Take a few breaths. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Gently wiggling your fingers and toes, beginning to wake your body back up. Recognizing and experiencing each sensation as you do so. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, bringing with you a sense of peace, strength, and rejuvenation.